So our first experiment right now is going to be a suspending Mountain Dew bottle. We're going to be adding several lumps of dry ice, probably about 30 grams if I had to estimate. I'm going to add these in here. You can probably see the smoke.
Yeah, it's already starting to sublimate.
Yeah,
that's your vocabulary word for the day, ladies and gentlemen.
It's about 25 Fahrenheit right now outside.
I can already see it start to bubble in the bottom of the bucket.
Yeah, so I'm going to add a few fragments in here.
Wow! Oh my Lord! That was loud.
So, as you can see,
there was quite a bit of pressure in that.
There was a lot of energy inside of that bottle, which is why we didn't want to get anywhere near it.
Okay folks, for experiment number 2, we are going to place it on this metal rack in the snow, upside down. Hopefully we'll see a little bit bigger of a boom with a little bit bigger of a bottle.
Oh, this thing's gonna go.
Guard your nuts.
Oh.
Pardon my language.
This
is gonna be bad.
This
is gonna be bad.
This could be good or bad. The snow would actually. Slow this reaction down. Oh my God.
I can't hear anything. What are you saying? My ears are ringing.
Oh my God.
Look at that damage. Man, that's some devastation. Whew.
All right.
One more time. First one was a 24 ounce. Second one was a 2 liter. This is the smaller, more condensed 16 ounce. Something tells me this is going to have quite the boom.
I think putting it on its side was a good idea. If you get
I didn't want to get the lid lodged this time.
Well, you get an increased circ.
Got the lid, which is now inverted. This is the base of the bottle. Oh, it's got, look, that's the point of rupture right there. Look at that.
Right there at the bottom.
Yep, there's a big hole right there. I can stick my finger through it. Wow. Yeah.
So, our next experiment is going to be the new 2-liter bottle design. I'm sure many of you have noticed these very strange bottle designs. Actually,
looks just like a really large 20 ounce.
Looks a lot like a large 20 ounce.
It's more like a rocket shape.
More like a rocket shape, and we are hoping
to get a launch.
Yeah, we'll see if that happens.
Oh.
We're about to place some of these pellets inside of our bottle.
Okay. Put it halfway down the snow with it.
Halfway into.
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah, I want to see some snow go boom boom.
Now, the problem with this particular setup is that the cold temperature of the snow could actually decrease the reaction taking place, since a warmer temperature would actually propagate.
Well, I'm seeing that it can just swell beyond belief, so I'm not too worried about it.
We put quite a bit of CO2 and quite a bit of water, so this should go pretty well.
Wow. There's nothing left.
Our next one is going to be one of the first ones we did. It's a favorite. The hanging bottle variation, adding a little bit of additional lighting, and also taking the wrapper off, just because we thought it might look pretty neat. So, allow me to get the ordnance. So, we'll load this up.
Alright, let's step back.
Actual
bubbles have stopped.
So we have reached
Critical mass.
Yeah, we have reached equilibrium. We've got a little bit of bubbling, but if it hasn't happened now,
I'm gonna let you do the filming on this one.
Okay.
Because I really want to shoot it. Yeah.
Okay.
Remember, kids, we are professionals. Ready?
Yep.
In 3, 2.
And the echo just stopped.
Oh, I love our job.
Let's take a look at the devastation here. Mike and I are both sons of Marshall. That's right, we bleed green. I'm sure a lot of you WVU folks could probably lynch me right now, but I could care less. We're having fun. So, in honor of our grand finale, we will be making this particular explosion rather special.
Alright, I have got the lid ready to go. And this is the amount of CO2 we'll be using for this bottle. I hope my hand doesn't freeze before we get out there. Okay, my hands are literally frozen. My God, that's a rapid boil.
Oh. Run away! Now that is a neat effect. I wish
we would have done that earlier.
Well, I wish I could get closer, to be honest. Because
look at that green.
Yeah.
If we just had like a plastic shield and...
Yeah, I mean, really it just looks like a Mountain Dew bottle. I mean... I got hit with stuff.
And what they say is true. You can run over it with a semi and apparently explode rock bottles of, you know, liquid on it.
A-okay.
Not bad.
Welcome to the Mike and Jared. We just had a bunch of fun with dry ice and water and a couple of bottles on December 20th because there's nothing better to do with 15 inches of snow on the ground show.
Yeah, we had quite a bit of fun out here. Good times?
Yes, thank you for joining us for our little momentary lapse of reason as we enjoyed some of the simpler parts of life. Just a little bit of solid carbon dioxide, some water, and
good times.
Good times.
Alright, and remember kids,
do
not try this at home.
Never.
Ever.
Ever.
We're professionals. That's right. I've got a master's degree in this stuff.
And
actually, it's in education, but hey, whatever.
But he's telling you not to do this.
I'm telling you, don't do this. Alright guys, until next time, say goodbye, Jared.
Goodbye. Please. Sir.